Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm installing the new neutral safety switch on my AW4 automatic transmission. So, let's get to work. Okay, here's the old neutral safety switch. As far as I can tell, it's just this one bolt and then it slides off. So, we're gonna undo this, pull it off, and replace it with the new one. Okay, I've got the new safety switch installed. Gonna turn this on, dashboard. Reverse. Okay, well, that's reverse. That's neutral. Oh, and that's right. Oh, okay. Yeah. I am going to get everything out from underneath the Jeep, and we're going to drive it around the property real quick and see if we can get it into second gear, which would be awesome. Okay, guys, so after I opened the shop, I decided to double check a couple of things. There's a spot in the TCU where you can set up the number of pulses on the VSS, and it was set to 4, and I decided to go ahead and check that, and for my early AW4 it's actually 1, so I went ahead and changed it to 1 because I think that's how the computer determines how fast the Wrangler is going. So everything looks like it should be good and working, so yeah, let's give it a test. We got second. Can we get third? We're in third gear. We're back in first. Second. Third. We've definitely got some tuning to do, but I knew that. Okay guys, we have gears. The TCU is shifting the transmission. I know I got into third gear. I don't think I got into fourth gear, but that's fine. We can test that out later. So yeah, we are so close. We are so close to being done. I have a lot of stuff I've got to button up. I think next steps are to finish assembling the center console, and I really need to install some gauges, like having some data that I could look at, RPM, temperature, oil pressure, all of that. I'm kind of getting to the point where I really need that information. So leave a comment down below, give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. If you didn't, you know what to do. And hey, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, consider subscribing to the channel. And if you have, as always, thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Goodbye.